At this point, you've learned how beginners can make money using AI services and how many freelancers scale those services into higher daily income. Now we're re-entering one of the most exciting and powerful sections of this video, building AI income streams that continue making money even when you are not actively working. This is where AI shifts from being just a tool to becoming a full business engine that can operate with minimal supervision. Let's begin with one of the most realistic passive income models using AI, which is building niche content websites. Many online entrepreneurs in the United States are using AI writing tools to create blog websites focused on specific topics like personal finance, home improvement, travel, fitness, or technology. These websites attract visitors through Google search traffic, and once traffic starts growing, website owners earn money through advertisements, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Here's how this system typically works. First, successful creators choose a niche with strong search demand and long-term relevance. For example, topics like credit card reviews, budgeting tips, or small business marketing often attract consistent traffic. Next, they use AI research tools to find trending and highly searched article ideas. Then, AI writing tools help generate blog posts optimized for SEO. Once articles are published regularly, search engines begin sending organic traffic to the website. The powerful part about this method is that each article becomes a digital asset that can generate traffic and income for years. Some websites start slow but eventually reach hundreds or thousands of dollars monthly through ad networks like Google AdSense and affiliate partnerships. While this method requires patience and consistency, it has long-term passive income potential that many freelancers eventually transition into. Now let's talk about AI-powered social media theme pages, which have exploded in popularity across platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Theme pages focus on specific topics like motivation, business tips, fitness advice, or lifestyle inspiration. Many creators use AI tools to generate content ideas, captions, and visuals, allowing them to post consistently without spending hours creating content manually. Once a theme page gains followers, monetization opportunities increase significantly. Many theme page owners earn money through brand sponsorships, affiliate promotions, and digital product sales. Some accounts with large audiences charge hundreds of dollars for a single sponsored post. The key success factor is posting valuable and engaging content consistently, which AI tools help simplify dramatically. Another extremely powerful passive income strategy involves selling AI prompt packs and templates. As AI tools become more popular, many users struggle to create effective prompts or workflows. Freelancers and creators are now selling pre-built prompt libraries for content writing, graphic design, business marketing, and automation systems. These prompt packs are often sold through platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and personal websites. What makes prompt packs profitable is their scalability. Once created, they can be sold unlimited times without additional production work. Some sellers create beginner AI starter kits priced between $15 and $50, and selling just a few copies daily can reach the $100 income goal. As the AI industry continues expanding, demand for ready-to-use templates is growing rapidly. Now let's dive into automation systems that can dramatically increase productivity and income potential. Automation means using AI tools to handle repetitive tasks without manual involvement. For example, businesses often need automated social media posting, email marketing campaigns, customer follow-up messages, and lead tracking systems. Automation platforms like Zapier and Make allow freelancers to connect multiple apps and create automated workflows. Here's a real-world example. A small online store might want new customer leads automatically added to an email marketing list, followed by a welcome message and promotional offers. Setting up this automation once can save businesses hours of manual work every week. Freelancers who specialize in automation often charge setup fees and monthly maintenance fees, creating both active and recurring income streams. Let's move into real case study style examples, because seeing how others succeed makes these strategies easier to understand. Consider a freelance marketer from Texas who started offering AI-generated social media content packages to local restaurants. At first, he charged low prices just to gain experience and build a portfolio. Within 6 months, he gained 5 regular clients paying monthly retainers. By using AI content tools and scheduling automation, he reduced his workload while increasing income consistency. Today, he manages over 10 clients and earns several $1,000s monthly while working part-time. Another example involves a college student from California who started selling AI-generated printable planners and digital productivity templates on Etsy. She used AI design tools to create unique planners and productivity sheets. Initially, sales were slow, but after optimizing product listings using AI SEO tools and promoting content on Pinterest, her store gained traction. Within 1 year, she built a store generating daily sales, proving that digital product businesses can grow into reliable income streams. Let's also discuss AI voice narration channels, which are gaining massive popularity on YouTube and podcast platforms. Many creators are using AI voice tools to produce storytelling videos, educational content, and motivational content without recording their own voices. Combining AI voice narration with automated video editing tools allows creators to produce content quickly and consistently. Some creators upload videos daily, increasing algorithm visibility and monetization opportunities. Another advanced passive income method is selling online membership communities. Many entrepreneurs create private communities focused on AI learning, freelancing, or digital marketing. Members pay monthly subscription fees to access exclusive tutorials, templates, and support groups. AI tools help create educational content, manage member engagement, and automate communication, making community management easier. Now here's something extremely important: diversification. Many successful AI entrepreneurs do not rely on a single income source. They combine freelancing, digital product sales, affiliate marketing, and content creation. This diversification reduces financial risk and increases long-term income stability. If one income stream slows down, others continue generating revenue. Let's talk about one of the most underrated success habits among high-earning AI entrepreneurs: documentation. Successful freelancers document workflows, prompts, automation setups, and client communication strategies. This documentation allows them to reuse systems efficiently and train assistants or team members when scaling operations. Organized systems reduce mistakes, improve efficiency, and increase business professionalism. Another powerful growth strategy involves leveraging AI analytics tools to track performance metrics. Monitoring engagement rates, conversion rates, and traffic patterns helps freelancers optimize services and content strategies. Businesses value freelancers who provide measurable results, and AI analytics tools make performance tracking easier than ever. Now let's discuss overcoming burnout, which many freelancers experience when scaling their businesses. AI tools help reduce workload, but managing multiple clients and projects can still become overwhelming. Successful freelancers prioritize scheduling, workload balance, and workflow automation. Many allocate specific days for client work, content creation, and business development to maintain productivity without exhaustion. Another critical factor in building long-term AI income is staying updated with industry trends. AI technology evolves rapidly, and new tools appear frequently. Freelancers who dedicate time to learning emerging tools often gain competitive advantages. Following AI newsletters, attending webinars, and experimenting with new platforms helps maintain industry relevance. Here's another advanced but growing opportunity: AI consulting. Businesses often understand that AI can improve efficiency, but lack knowledge about implementation. Freelancers who learn multiple AI tools and understand business workflows can offer consulting services. AI consultants analyze business processes and recommend AI solutions for marketing, customer support, and productivity improvement. Consulting fees can be significantly higher than standard freelance project fees. Let's talk about the importance of building authority and credibility. Many successful AI freelancers create educational content on social media platforms, explaining how AI tools work and sharing success stories. Educational content positions freelancers as industry experts, attracting inbound clients and partnership opportunities. Authority building is one of the strongest long-term client acquisition strategies. Before moving to the final section, here's a crucial reminder. Passive income does not mean zero effort. Most passive income systems require upfront work, learning, and consistent improvement. However, once these systems gain momentum, they often generate income with less daily involvement compared to traditional freelancing work.